Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a fun Grove haul to share with you guys. Grove Collaborative is a brand that I have been purchasing from for quite a few months now because I love getting my cleansers from there. My cleaners, cleansers, either way, it's the same thing, right? I love getting my cleaners from there for my home. I think they have some fantastic scents. I think their prices are better than most of the prices I've seen in stores too for like Mrs. Meyer's. They also have Caldrea, which is one of the brands that I always get to spray my home and make it smell fresh and clean. But the Mrs. Meyer's, their holiday scents, I love getting them from there because they're only like $3 and some change. And they're so unique and they smell so good. I sent my son back to school with some pumpkin ones the last time I purchased some things from Grove. He loved them, so hopefully you guys have purchased some and love them as well. If you guys are interested in purchasing anything from Grove and you have not tried anything from Grove before, you can use my link below and it will get you a Grove caddy along with 5 freebies to go along with it. It's like a $40 value for absolutely free when you purchase $20 worth of product. So it's a win-win situation in my opinion. So let's try this out or try it out. Let me show you guys everything that I purchased recently. I'm going to set the box down on the floor because it's a little full and a little heavy. So the one thing I picked up, because I don't know about you guys, but this time of year, every year, we always get fruit flies. We do live near like an apple orchard, and I'm not sure if that has something to do with it or not, but either way, it's kind of annoying. So I picked up this Aunt Fanny's. This is the Fly Punch fruit fly trap. That was like a tongue twister. So I picked this up, and basically all you do is unscrew the cap, pull off the little protective seal, and then you open the cap back up, and then you have this open, and then the fruit flies go in there and it traps them. And that way there you have something cuter just sitting around than basically, like, I know last year I just took a plastic bottle and poured, I don't remember what I poured in it, but I poured something in there to like attract the fruit flies and then put a cone type of shape of paper in there. I think this is cuter, and it's just kind of like a conversation piece almost in your kitchen versus your big old bottle sitting there with a piece of paper on it. People will be like, what is this? But definitely don't pick this up and think it's a season, because it is not a season. It is for your fruit flies. I think it says it's got sodium lauryl sulfate, malic acid are the active ingredients, and then it's got vinegar and water. So I'm thinking it's more or less just vinegar and water. Either way, I wanted to try it out and see if it does help with the fruit flies we get. You guys will probably see me here in the next couple of weeks like getting frustrated because the fruit flies will even come into the beauty room. They go everywhere, honestly. So I'm excited to see if this will work. Hopefully it does work. The next thing I picked up are some more cleansers from Mrs. Meyer's, because Mrs. Meyer's is my favorite brand for like the holidays because they put out these amazing holiday scents. So let me show you the ones I picked up. Basically, I kind of like repurchased a lot of the ones I purchased the last time. They always stuff it full of paper. Like, it is protected. Nothing's going to get damaged during shipping. And if it does get damaged, or if you're missing an item, sorry, that paper was really loud. So if something does get damaged or you're missing an item, contact Grove. They take care of you immediately, which I really like about Grove. They're very good with customer service. To me, that's really important, is how good is the customer service. I find that Grove has fantastic customer service. So I got 6 new bottles of Mrs. Meyer's. I think a lot of them, like I said, are very similar, or probably the exact ones I purchased before. So this one here is the Acorn Spice Scent. This one smells so good. At first I thought I wasn't going to enjoy this one because I got one just kind of on a whim. I love the way this smells. It smells like a mixture between cinnamon and cloves. I don't know. It's just a really, really good scent. And whenever I clean my house with this, it smells like I'm baking because of the cloves in here. So it smells like I'm making something fresh and like fresh ingredients or whatever. So I really like that one. Then I picked up the Spiced Pumpkin. This one here is my favorite for like spraying my son's rooms. I like wipe everything down with this. I clean basically everything with this. Like, I wipe their furniture down. I wipe their doors down. I am very much into cleaning when I have cleaners that I love to smell. And the great thing about Mrs. Meyer's is that it's more natural. It's not going to be bad for you. So the only thing somebody had mentioned before is that the bottles, they felt bad by wasting all the bottles. I don't know if these are recyclable, like as far as like you could do something else with them. It says it's 30% post-consumer plastic. It is a recyclable bottle, obviously, but I'm not sure if you could recycle them as in like use them for something else. I do sometimes do that with some of my Grove bottles. I will put like, I use a lot of Clorox in my house, so I like to have Clorox in every bathroom as well as the kitchen. So I will put Clorox in these after they're emptied out, like rinse them out, put a little Clorox in there, and that way there I can keep everything like very disinfected. So I like to spray like the toilet area. Ugh. All right, 4 more to go here. Like I said, though, this is not going to be any big surprise for you guys on which scents I chose, because obviously these are the amazing holiday scents. So we have another pumpkin spice, another pumpkin spice. So there's 3 pumpkin spice I picked up, and then I picked up 2 more acorn spices. So I have 3 acorn spice and 3 pumpkin spice, which I'm probably going to send my son back to school with some extra cleaners as well, because I want to make sure that his apartment stays nice and clean while he's at college. So I also picked this up for my son because these are biodegradable. These are, what are these called? These are 100% sustainable bamboo and sugarcane paper towels, and he's very green. Like, he likes to do like the, what is it called, the compost. He recycles everything he possibly can. He doesn't like to buy fast fashion. He's a very, very like respectful, very raw, what is it called, I can't think of what the word's called. Either way, he's just very considerate to the earth, I guess you could say. So I thought I would get him these paper towels so he could try them out, and if he enjoys them, I'll start getting him these to send with him to college. But I thought this was a great idea also because it's made with recyclable materials. I mean, I know trees are technically recyclable as well, but it takes a long time to grow a tree versus bamboo. Bamboo is very fast growing, so I think it's pretty awesome that they make the paper towels with bamboo. So I'm excited to see if he likes these, because I'll be sending them to school with him so he can tell me if they're any good or not. So that is everything I picked up from Grove. It was not a huge haul or anything. It was basically a lot of Mrs. Meyer's paper towels and the fruit punch spray. So, or not spray, the fruit punch fly trap, the tongue twister. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this tiny Grove haul. Oh my goodness. Anyway, I'd love to know if you guys get Grove as well, what kind of products you purchase from Grove. I've purchased everything from dog cleaners, like their shampoo, as well as the essential oil type things to help with flea and tick prevention. I've purchased like tons of cleaners. I purchased a lot of my Caldrea, like I said. They have really nice kitchen like sets, like the scrubbers and everything, so definitely check them out, because there seems like they're adding more and more to their website consistently. Like they have, I think they even have skincare and everything on there now, so which is really awesome. So anyway, I'd love to know if you guys have purchased anything from Grove, and what have you purchased? What could you recommend that I should check out? Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time, I'll catch you guys later.